Let's make Kung Pao Chicken today.
All the ingredients and measurements are in the description box. Cut the chicken and place into a bowl. In the bowl, add soy sauce, salt, and rice wine. Mix well. Marinate the chicken for 10 minutes. Slice the garlic, slice the ginger, cut the dry red pepper, slice the green onion, cut the bell pepper. In a bowl, add soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, cornstarch, and 1.5 tablespoons of water. Mix well. Set aside. In the chicken bowl, add cornstarch and mix well. Add sesame oil and mix well. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add the peppercorn. Fry for 10 seconds. Remove from pot. Add dried chili peppers. Fry for 10 seconds. Add the garlic and ginger and fry for 10 seconds. Add the chicken and stir fry for 1 minute. Add the bell pepper and stir fry for another minute or until the chicken is fully cooked. Add chili powder to taste. Add the bowl of sauce into the pot. Cook for additional 20 seconds. Add the roasted peanuts. Add the green onions. Done!